Hello again, everyone. Mark Ritchie with Virginia Writer Magazine, and welcome to another installment of Lesser Known Roads. Today we're at Ruddle Park, just north of Franklin in Pendleton County, West Virginia, and we're going to find our way to Reeds Creek Road. It's a back road, a detour on any points west on 33 and north on 220, and contains what I call a Valhalla moment, where the scene just opens before your very eyes, and you sense you're in someplace special. It's definitely someplace unique. So sit back and enjoy the ride, and thanks as always for watching Virginia Writer Magazine. Spider! Rose! We got a spider! I hope that got it. It is a blustery 90 degrees on this June day. Oh boy, those are tires. I hope he slows down. Thank you. That just happened because I came up this way. Turn where it says fish hatchery. Rose and I recently discovered this road a couple of weeks ago. It's remained under the radar for all this time. We did a little picnic back at Ruddle Park, and as most Goldwing owners know, the saddlebag sensors are overly particular, and we couldn't get it shut to the sensor's satisfaction on the fly, so we pulled over here, and we got back on the bike. I just turned my head and said, let's see where this goes. It's oftentimes how roads are discovered. But this is Hammer Run Road, if I'm not mistaken. Wow, is it hot. If I didn't have the lav mic in the helmet, I'd definitely have the shield open. That road, incidentally, that we just passed on the left will eventually come out on Route 33 as well, but it turns to gravel. But the adventure sport crew might want to give it a go. I often find on roads like that where I can't get out of second gear that dogs like to roam free, and I usually can't outrun them, and I can't maneuver around them, so I try to avoid gravel roads out in the middle of nowhere. It was a really nice log cabin set up with the adjacent garage. It's all done up nicely. You kind of sense something big is going to happen with these hills in the background. The road is fairly smooth. It's void of any paint. Okay, and we're going to turn left here on Reeds Creek Road. This is our turn. Nicely set up antique pickup truck with plants in the bed. Rose would be proud. Had a wheel fall off a truck on the road we live off of, and it ended up in our driveway. I mean, it was like a wheel from an 18-wheeler. This thing was huge. And you know, we called the sheriff's department to report it, and I mentioned to them that they might want to hurry up and get out here and claim it before Rose plants things in it. There's a cool hill. It's kind of hills I grew up in riding a bicycle. Couldn't wait to experience what riding up one of these powered on two wheels felt like. And now they're just in abundance. Just a bunch of farms and homesteads. And it's blustery out. There's a guardrail. It's kind of reminiscent of Thorn Creek Road. A little bit. Expecting some severe thunderstorms this afternoon moving in. And the temps are going to be 20 degrees cooler tomorrow than what they are today, which is nice. I'm over 90s. It's no fun at all on a Goldwing, even with the vents. Now here's that view, and I know the camera's not going to do it any justice, but like, wow, I'm somewhere special. That is just gorgeous. It's the roadkill crew. Really smooth pavement too. Someone getting their mail. So one would take this either in a loop, a detour, or a shortcut, depending on where you're originating from, what your destination is. So connecting Petersburg to points west on 33 and vice versa. We're headed to 33. Giving a wave. They're getting an escort. So I think tractors are up 2-1, not counting that card check in the mail or the pickup truck. But just another one of those roads in the middle of nowhere with fantastic scenery and nobody else is here. I hate to sound like an old Milwaukee commercial, but it doesn't get much better than that. Turkey barn. Some moo cows. I think we're just about at our stop sign on Route 33. Turning right will take you to Seneca Rocks, left will take you back into Franklin. So what did y'all think of that road? You think it might be something you'd like to try as a detour or an alternative loop to riding in the Franklin area? Please leave a comment in the section below. Appreciate having you along with us. We look forward to doing lots of these because there's lots to show people. I mean, like I say, this road was something that had remained under our radar for quite some time, so hopefully it's under yours as well, and you'll go check it out, and we'll catch you on the next one. And thanks as always for watching Virginia Writer Magazine. Cheers.